today we're very blessed with good lighting and it's actually like 9 AM now. But let's go down and head to the kitchen to get some breakfast for the day. So let's get started. I'll be vlogging as we go along and I'll show you some of the tips that I incorporate in my meals, because I have gone through a lot of ways to like eat healthier and like plan your meals and all that, and I found out what works and what doesn't, so I can share with you my experiences and like we will learn as we go along the way. I hope you guys learn stuff when you are watching this video, because I have a lot of things prepared for this video, so look forward to it. So just a little bit of a backstory. I'm not actually a very breakfast person, so I don't really like having like a very heavy breakfast. And actually, like for the first few years of my primary life, I never ate breakfast. Like I really hate like eating breakfast because it made me like have no appetite. So this is a very good process actually. So today we're gonna be making a banana, pineapple and yogurt kind of thing, and also be having like some strawberry yogurt, which is very nice. And even though it's really plain, it's really good because yogurt is just dairy, and it's, well, I got this one, it isn't dairy free because I need to have some sort of like calcium in it. So I got this one and it's from Nestle. It's a pretty good yogurt, I would say, because it lasts very long. And then I just have pineapples, which my mom chopped up, and also bananas that we got. So yeah, it's just pretty fresh and like all the ingredients are really like healthy. The finished product. I'm really satisfied with how it looks. Like obviously you can't see the yogurt because it's like somewhere buried down there. And I also decided to add like cornflakes to the whole yogurt thing because I wanted to have a bit of like crunch and like texture in the whole thing. And I think it's a really good idea because like bananas are mushy and like pineapples are kind of like sweet as well, right? So cornflakes are just like that extra bit of goodness to it. So I decided to add like a bit of it to make it more fun. So for like every sort of meal that I prepare, I will sort of explain to y'all why you should use that ingredient and what health benefits it gives us. So for starters, the banana is actually rich in potassium and antioxidants, and because I tend to have like really bad acne breakouts and like, you know, those kind of acne spots, so I feel like that would greatly help improve my skin. And also to all of you who want to have like, you know, that glowy, very nice like natural skin, it's very good for that as well. And also I chose the pineapple because it's also rich in antioxidants and it has like enzymes, and it is also less in calories. And so yeah, so because of that, I feel like this would be really good for breakfast, especially because I'm not a very breakfast person. And the cornflakes I feel like would go very well with my milk, because I'm the type of person that would eat like my cereal with milk. If I don't have milk, I won't eat the cereal, that kind of thing. So yes, it's very yellowish and I love yellow. Hey guys, so for lunch today we're gonna be eating a kind of wrap, and I haven't had this before, but it's actually chia wraps. So it's basically the wraps, they have like the seeds inside, and basically it's very good for like fiber, protein, all that. So just trying to stay healthy because like for the past few days I have been eating quite unhealthy. So it's not a very realistic kind of representation, but this is just what I try to be eating. Yeah. Basically we have the chia wraps here, and basically you see all these seeds, they're like really good for you. And the reason why we made it worth of like 5 people, so just Just don't think that I'm eating all of this because I'm not. And so we have chicken breast meat here and some cherry tomatoes and also some capsicum or peppers, whatever you call it in your country. So yeah, I'm gonna be trying to eat healthy for this next few days or so. And I'm gonna get myself a drink as well. So I kind of have tomato sauce as my base and some kind of like chili sauce which we have in Malaysia. It's some kind of sambal, and we have some green chili peppers, green capsicums and some red ones, and some red cherry tomatoes. I probably should have more of this, and as well as some of my favorite chicken grilled meat. And so I'm gonna eat. I have this glass of lemon water to go in my meal just because like it kind of detoxifies like your toxins in the body. So bottoms up, guys. Hey guys, it's in the afternoon now. It's around like 3-ish, and I'm gonna be chilling, relaxing, take a chill pill for a while because I want to take a bit of like I need to take a bit of time to myself so I can plan what I'm gonna do the whole of this week and like plan things out and see what things I need to catch up on, especially if things that I need to do so I don't procrastinate. And I have a cup of tea here. It's Starbucks coffee. Oh my god, what's with the way I hold the mug? So yeah, I'm gonna be playing Animal Crossing because I want to finish all my challenges because an update just came out. So I'm really excited for that because I'm not one who like plays games a lot. So that's kind of weird, but yeah. Hey y'all, so it's about like 5:35 right now. So I'll be helping my family prep dinner. And usually I do this very often because it's like a lockdown and I'm like at home. But usually if I'm not at home, I won't have the opportunity to prepare dinner with them. So today I'll be actually making nasi lemak, which is one of Malaysia's like local delicacies. So it's actually really hard if you want to make it from scratch, which is what we're doing, because usually how they would sell the food is that it comes in like packs, like pre-packs, and it's already like made from the factory. So it's like a sort of like a really like risky and hard attempt, but we're gonna do it. And I'll help like cut stuff. Like I won't be doing the major like cooking stuff because I don't know how to do it, but I'm gonna be helping with the cooking, the washing, the basic stuff because yeah. So I'll also be helping with the compost because every evening I tend to like help water the plants and also compost because our family practices composting, which is what you do when you bring the organic food stuff and like all the orange peels, banana skins, everything, the seeds, the eggshells, and we usually just compost because we have a very big garden, and also, you know, it's environmental friendly. And yeah, so we're gonna do that, and I'm in my backyard right now and I'm preparing to kind of help water the plants, my friends, my only friends during this lockdown. Ladies and gents, today I'll be showing you how to compost. So basically very simple. All you need to do is just dig a big fat hole and make sure you can store all the organic stuff inside. And yeah, so just continually shovel. Make sure you don't kill any slugs or snails or animals in the making. Get rid of any of those like weeds if you can, like this. Get them out because they're freaking silly little weeds. Okay. These. And keep on digging. Okay, so after that, take a bunch of your compost, aka whatever onion shreds, whatever skin, and then pat them back with the soil. Make sure it's like secure because you're gonna be in there for a very long time and you never know what's gonna happen. So there. And that's all I have for you today, guys. So hopefully you enjoyed my what I eat in a day, and definitely if you don't usually make this kind of stuff at home, I guess, because it's quite traditional, some of the things that we make every day compared to like other countries, because Malaysia has like a lot of different traditional recipes that moms make. So I guess it's like good that we preserve it, and like instead of just going, you know, like getting the Western food outside or like the cafe food outside, I think it's good to kind of practice the usual like traditional and the festive local delicacies. So make sure to give it a like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. We're almost there at 57 subscribers, which is in a month, which is quite okay. Like I expected less, but it's quite good. So let's get ourselves to 200 subscribers at the end of August. See y'all!